Hey guys, what's up? My chair is broken. I've been on the floor ever since. That was 2 or 3 weeks ago. So there's my laptop on here, sit here, there's my back there, and I have an extension cable here. That's my good deck over there. Like I have a proper deck and I can't use it. I need to get this chair crack-a-lacking so I can start doing some proper work. Let me just get rid of this. Oh, very loud right here. Oh! So I'm gonna unbox this. You guys remember this fridge? You guys remember this bottle? Today I have an unboxing. No, I've been following this page on Instagram for a while now. It was recommended to me by my friend Davida. And it's Shop Analog Club. They've been selling. They basically sell like film cameras, film cameras and Insta film cameras. So I've been following them. I've been seeing where they've been selling a few SLRs, like a Nikon, like this. So I've been stalking the page. And I've been wanting to try film. So today, Wednesday, February 10th, I purchased my first film camera. I've had this box all day. I did around a 4-hour, 5-hour shoot today with the box in my possession, trying not to look inside and see what's there, but it's time. Alright, so this is the box. It's pretty simple, pretty neat. I'm trying not to tilt anything, but this is how it looks. Alright, I'm get all this out of the way. I love the sticker on the box, so how do I open it? Okay, how do I open this box? I have no idea how to open this box. Okay. Is it glued? Do I tear the side? Oh, sorry. Do I? Okay. Tear the side. Tear the side. That's what you do. So, I guess I'll do it this way. Woo! Alright, so first thing first, is a film me that says Analog Club with a thank you on the back. You're welcome. I get one roll of Kodak 400, ISO 400, 35mm color print film. Alright. And the camera itself. Oh, this is nice. This looks good. Alright, so that's it for the box. Alright, so Minolta X370. I've been doing a lot of reading since day about this camera. I've been trying to learn as much as I can.
I didn't catch that.
No,
Did you try again?
I wasn't. It's in pretty good condition, I must say. I will need to do some more reading on it, but as you can see, it's the focus. I'll be shooting this so that in the review video I can show you guys the photos that I've collected from this. I think this holds 24. I've never shot film. This is my first time. This is my first time doing something like this, and I don't know what the outcome is going to be. I don't know if it's going to look good. I don't know if it's going to look bad. I remember my mom used to shoot films back in the day, and they look good. I have those photos, but this is my first time like I'm going in a film camera. I'm really excited. Let me take off this. This is one here. Do you even take off this? Would I have to order like some? Oh, okay. Whoa. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Compared to this, oh, it's almost as heavy as the 70. Okay, no, I could walk up and down this. This is heavy. This is heavy. This is a Canon 70. It's no longer working, but it's heavy. This isn't bad. I love this. I like this. All right, guys. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you guys want to see more, just like the aperture. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. If you do like this video, please hit the like button. If you aren't subscribed and you'd like to see more content like this, please hit the subscribe button. I'll be showing you. Oh, this has an auto function. Yeah, if you guys like this video, please hit the like button. If you aren't subscribed, subscribe. If you'd like to see my photography journey, my film photography journey, you guys can check me out on Instagram at Shaquiel Brooks. You guys can check me out on Instagram. I'll be posting. I'll probably do a review of the photos I've gotten so far on this camera. Just kind of show you guys what I've taken and where I've been with it. But yeah. Alright guys, until next time, you don't know, Shaq out. Peace. Boom. So you don't know, well you know, Shaq out. Alright guys, yo. Woohoo, look at, okay, this is at what, 1.7, okay. What's 1.8? Boy, you can see the actual bokeh. No man, this is nice. I wouldn't like, should I like reel this up? No, tomorrow. No, this weekend. This weekend I'm gonna take some photos. This weekend is Valentine's Day, so you guys know that. Yeah. Man, this is clean. Okay, definitely. I'm gonna take some photos with this office. I'm wondering if I should lose the straps or keep them. I'm not really a fan of straps. I usually use the Peak Design little black thingies. I hate straps. Straps just all over the place. I mean, I get at school for a reason, but come on. Yo. Is this dirty? Do I have to clean this sense? Oh god, this is filthy. Is it the lens or is it the... This sensor is dusty. Should I clean this? The sensor is dusty.